This is Zebra3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change email on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Twitch isn't just a place to catch streams, it's a place to build a community. If you've been following a streamer for months and years, you've built your place in their community. More so, especially if you regularly interact with the streamer and other viewer during a live stream. This makes account security an essential part of the Twitch experience. If you need to change your email address on Twitch, you shouldn't neglect to do it. Losing access to your email might mean losing your Twitch account forever. If you're unsure how to change your email address on Twitch, you can follow this step by step in this video. How to change your email on Twitch. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. You can go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. You can go to your account settings, tap on account setting in here. Tap on security and privacy. Now, tap on email. Your email was recently perfect. If you want to change email, you can just tap on change email in here. Now you can just enter your new email. Now tap on submit. You can enter your password. Tap on next. You can wait. Now you can enter the verified code that Twitch sent to your new email. So here's the code. We can copy the code. And submit. Now you have changed your email and also verify your new email address on your Twitch. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your email address on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.